Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 27th. We are on decision making slide 23. I hope you're having a great time at home, finding some fun things to do and getting out and being as active as you can. We'll read the instructions for today's daily decision making. Ben was really hoping his mom would say yes. He really wanted to go to the movies with his friends. He did a bunch of extra chores and asked his mom very nicely if he could go. She told him no. He was angry and threw a tantrum. So you're going to choose, did Ben react correctly? Yes or no? What could he have done better? Say all right, walk away, slam the door, pinch someone, scratch someone, or fight. So once you answer this on your slides, make sure you talk to your parents about some of the things you think the Ben did wrong when his mom told him no. And give your parents or supervisor another way that you might want to handle the situation.